Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope all of you are doing great. So in this video, we are going to talk about how we can move an image with custom animations in UIKit, like the one that you can see on the screen. So for starters, we have an application with an static football image in the center of the screen that you can see, in the simulator. So let's start writing the functions to move this image from center of the screen to the bottom, and then from bottom to the center of the screen. So we are going to create two functions for each for one moment. So let's say one is transform to bottom, and another one will be transform to identity. Identity is basically the original transformation matrix of an object, the original coordinates basically. So let's name it transform to identity. This basically means that transform to its original place, or you know transform to its origin. So let's start writing transformation here. So UI view dot animate, because we want to move this image with animations, so with duration 1.0 and animation block, and let's say self dot image view dot dot transform and cg affine transform with translation coordinates, and we are going to move the image on the vertical axis, so no change on the x-axis. This is going to be 0, and for the y-axis we are going to provide half of the screen height. So height, all right, and then in the completion block, basically we are going to call the second moment, that is from bottom to the center. That means this function. So let's call this function self dot transform to identity. And if let's call this function here transform to bottom, and if we build and run the app, then you can see the movement from center of the screen to the bottom of the screen. Yes, you can see now. To move it back from bottom to the center again and move it back and forth, we have to put some logic into this transform to identity, and in the completion block of that animation we have to again call back this method transform to bottom, so that we can see the dribble motion of the football. So let's copy and paste it with some slight changes, and those slight changes will be: one is this, because we don't have to provide the coordinates manually, because we are going to move it back to its origin. So just provide identity, and here call the previous method in the completion block. And now if you run this code, you can see the moment that we wanted to achieve. See, the football is dribbling. So that's it for the video. That's how you can move your image with the custom animations in UIKit. So thank you for watching. See you soon in the next video.